designed to handle large data sets and complex queries over those large data sets, but they were originally designed for reporting, where you're generating the report and then handing out the report statically. So they weren't optimized for query latency, and they definitely were not optimized for high concurrency, where you have, tens, hundreds, thousands of users using it. Now, pattern 2 is where the requirement is more around streaming ingest, where you need to drive the time to insight, right? From the time a piece of data is born to the time that it has to show up in the dashboard. If you had an SLA around that time, that it'd be close to 0 or near 0, that's when you want to use what we call the Lambda architecture.
So why are customers doing this? Well, I think the proof is in the pudding, right? So for example, the first one is a tier 1 media and entertainment company. It took them about 2 hours to ingest data, just to get the data into the data warehouse, and then another 5 minutes to do a query, right? What they were able to do is they were able to augment the data warehouse with SingleStore and look at the results. 2 seconds, real-time data ingest into SingleStore with 2 seconds to actually query. So dramatically bringing down the time to insights for customers by augmenting their data warehouses.
So in terms of results, they're able to ingest their 4 billion of rows per day without any trouble and basically in real time, and still deliver consistent query performance of less than 100 milliseconds for all the queries, even in the face of concurrency of 160,000 queries per second. Pretty impressive results.